Come on. Little man.
Through Ross Temple Baptist Church and Hooters Corporation came together to help Oak Island. They did a huge Christmas party for us, and they've also helped us get this sign with the help of Melody Proud and her company. They designed it. It's beautiful. I think it's just a sign to everybody who comes into Oak Island that we haven't quit. We're still here, and we're going to build back stronger and better than ever. And we dedicate this sign today to the spirit of the people of Oak Island and Double Bow, and how they did not quit, and we will survive. Amen.
Amen.
Come with me.
Please.
Heather, take pictures.
And Heather.
Heather. Yeah, come on.
I'm going to take pictures. Go ahead and cut.
Okay, ready?